Hi guys, so this is going to be my first video. We're going to talk about fidget spinners and fidget cubes. So, you go like this with mine, and then, so we were going to share so I will go first, and then he will go second. I will share about my fidget spinners and fidget cubes. So, this one's pretty cool. It's blue camo. I bought it off of Amazon for 20 bucks. It's pretty cool. And then this one's LED. And then if you put it, you can put it, so there's 3 different motions of it. And if you spin it, you see it'll make a cool design. And then if you do it all high, it'll just not make a design. And then if you do it medium, 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 it'll not make a design. Okay. And I was going to show you something. I can balance. I'm just going to get one of his fidget spinners and balance it on my knee. Pretty cool. So, I did my fidget cube. It can go like this, and then circle it like this. Put your thumb there. Go like this, like this, like this, and then that's it for me. This is Domenico. Okay, next step. That's his blue park fidget. He found it at the park and he just got it from the park.
And then here's my blue camo one. It's almost like his, but only the sides are different because his is like sided and then mine is like curved. So it's broken a little because you can see it has like a crack in it and this comes out. and then because my cousin she threw it across the bench and then and then this came out. Okay, so I have a light emoji one, shiny.
It's emoji.
Yeah.
If you can see.
Let me see.
And then these can pop out if you want to.
Oh yeah.
And then let's spin it and let's see what it looks like when you pop these out. Okay, so you spin it like this. It's all red.
Pretty cool, right?
And then Ninja Fidget Star. Okay, so this is a cool trick. You can balance it on your forehead. Wait, redo.
You can balance it on his head.
And then this red one, pretty cool. And then I always have the same fidget cube as him, but his is camo.
Yeah, mine's blue camo.
And then got this from the dollar store, green. And then yeah. Oh yeah, forgot to talk about this one. I bought it at Five Below. It cost $20 too. Yeah, and that's it.
So that's it, and pretty cool, guys. That was my first video. Please hit a like, please. And this video is called Fidget Spinners, and we'll do another video next time we hang out together. So see you next time, and hit a like, subscribe.